Are you looking to create your own website for free without any hassle? Whether it's for personal blog, a business, or even online store, today's tutorial will show you exactly how to do that, no coding skills required. And the best part, it's completely free. In this video, I will be walking you through a simple and easy step-by-step process using Site 123, a website builder that makes creating a professional looking site a breeze. From editing to customizing layout and adding content, I have got you covered every step of the way. Now, if you are thinking about building more advanced website that typically need to look like $2,000 or more, there's another option, Webflow. It's powerful website builder that allows for highly customized professional websites. If you are interested in learning how to create website with Webflow, check the link in the description below for step-by-step video. Ready to get started? Grab your device and follow along with me. By the end of this tutorial, you will have your own website up and running. Let's jump right in and build your site with Site 123. Step-by-step guide on how to build website using Site 123. Step 1. Visit Site 123. Open your browser and go to app.site123.com or simply search for Site 123 and click the first link. Site 123 is a user-friendly website builder that allows you to create a free website. Step 2. Start your website. On the homepage, click the Start Here button. You will be asked what type of website you want to create. Choose from options like business, handyman services, restaurant, photography, event, music, community, and more. Step 3. Name your website. Enter the name of your website. For example, if you are creating a business website, type the name. Once entered, click Go to Final Step to proceed. Step 4. Sign up. You will prompted to sign up. You can either use your email, phone number, or connect through Google or Facebook to create an account. Step 5. Access the website builder. After login, Site123 will direct you. It's easy to use website editor. This is where you will customize your website. Site editor overview. Pages. On the left sidebar, go to the Pages tab to view and manage your pages such as home, about, services, and contact. To add new page, click Add New Page and choose from different types: event page, blog, or portfolio, etc. Second, design. In the Design tab, customize the overall look of your website. You can change colors, fonts, header, footer, and even layout of your website. Third, domain settings. In the domain section, you can select a domain for your site. You can either purchase a new domain through Site123 or connect an existing one. Additional settings. Adjust settings like your website name, type, country, language, and install various plugins if needed.
Alright, let's start editing the pages. To change the text, simply double click on it. If you need to adjust the layout, click the layout section and choose the one that fits best. A unique background image is important. Select one from the available options or upload your own from your computer. Once you have chosen an image, you can edit it, then click Done button to apply the changes. Next, adding CTA buttons is crucial for any homepage to convert visitors into clients. You can add a button through a CTA section. For advanced options, you can customize where the button directs users and modify the CTA content as needed. Now let's update the About Us images. If you need to change the content, just double click and edit it. You can also add buttons here and update their content accordingly. To add a new section, click the plus button. You will see variety of section types, including features, theme, FAQ, and more. For example, I will add a feature section now. Once added, you can double click to edit the content and make sure to save your changes. Another great option is AI generated text, which can help speed up the process. If you need to rearrange sections, simply use the arrow to move them up or down. If you want to change the section layout, select the layout that best fits your website design and apply it. Next, let's add the theme section and update the content with your informations. I will also adjust some section layouts. You will find different styles available, so pick the one that works best. Now let's update the overall color schemes of the website. You will see the different color options and preview of how they apply to your site. Choose a color palette that aligns with your brand. Next, we will customize the fonts. There are various font styles available. Select the one that matches the tone and personality of your website. Now let's customize the header section. You can add a call option, email, location, and social media links. All of these elements are easily editable to fit your needs. Before finalizing, check the website responsiveness on desktop, tablet, and mobile. This is crucial since users will access your site from different devices. Make sure everything looks and functions perfectly across all screen sizes. Next, we will add pages and categories. You can easily edit content here, and if you need to add a new item, it's simple process. Now let's customize contact section. Ensure that all essential information is filled in correctly. Then add your social media links and contact details to the footer section. Make sure all the text includes the correct links and double check that everything from design to content looks perfect. If you need to make any final adjustments, you can modify colors, text, and other design elements. Finally, let's set up your domain. You can either choose an available domain at a cost or go with free option. Once you have selected a domain, click Publish button. Pick a plan that best fits your needs, and boom, your website is now live.
Congratulations, you just created very own website with Site 123 all for free. Now that you have your professional site, it's time to put it to work and start sharing it with the world. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you are ready to take your website to the next level, check out the links in the description for more tips and resources. Want some personalized help or have questions? Drop a comment below or book a free consultation call with me. I have love to help you make your website even better. See you soon.